Hello viewer, welcome to Pharma Digital, and here in this video I am gonna discuss about the some important MCQ that are arises from the topic general pharmacology. So here the first question is the science which deals with the drug and their actions on human body is known as, here the option C, pharmacology is the right answer. As you know, pharmacology is the branch of medical science which mainly deals with the drug and their produce action. What does the drug do to the body? And it is defined as and which statement is defined how the drug produce their actions to the body. And as you know, in pharmacology there are two parameters, one is pharmacokinetic and another is pharmacodynamic. So here from the question number 2, the right answer is option number B, pharmacodynamic. As you know, pharmacodynamic is the process through which how the drug produced towards the body, that is known as pharmacodynamic. And as you know, pharmacokinetic means how the body responds towards the drug. Next, who is the known as father of pharmacology? And here the right answer is option A, Oswald Schmiedberg. Oswald Schmiedberg is considered as father of pharmacology. Next, which of the following is a source for obtaining drug? As you know, drug is obtained from the different sources, whether it may be from the natural sources, whether it may be from the synthetic sources. So here the right answer is option D, all of the above. As you know, the drug is obtained from the both animal and plant source, and some synthetic source also, and some drug are also available from the microorganism also. So here the right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 5, which route of drug administration is most likely to lead the fast pass effect? And as you know, fast pass effect means the action of the drug is degraded by the enzymes of liver. And as you know, the oral route is the most chances of getting this fast pass effect. Next, question number 6, what term is used to describe a more gradual decrease in responsiveness to a drug taking days or weeks to develop? So here the right answer is option C, tolerance. As you know, after taking the drug for a particular period, for a particular weeks or particular month, the drug started to produce tolerate in our body, and in that case we have to change the dose or we have to change the drug. And next to question number 7, tolerance and drug resistance can be consequence of, here the right answer is increase the metabolic degradation. As we know, the increase the metabolic degradation leads to tolerance and drug resistance. Next, question number 8, what phenomenon can occur in case of using a combination of drug? Here the right answer is option D, synergy. As you know, synergy means when we use any two drug combinedly, their pharmacological effect is increases as compared to that drug is taken individually. And question number 9, WHO updated list in every year. After how many years? The WHO or World Health Organization updated their list? So here the right answer is option C, 2. Question number 10, who is the father of Indian pharmacology? As you know, Oswald Schmiedberg is considered as a father of pharmacology. So here in this case, in this questions, who is the considered as father of Indian pharmacology? So here the right answer is option D, Ramnath Chopra. Question number 11, pharmacology is a dash of medicine. As you know, pharmacology is the main important part or main study about the medicine. So here the right answer is option B, backbone of medicine. In next question, which route of drug is applied on a particular area on a site of actions, and that is known as, here the right answer is option number C, local route. In next question, which injection inject at an angle of 90 degree, at an angle of 90 degree in a straight format, in a straightly the needle is injected. So here the right answer is option B, intramuscular. So as you know, different parental routes have different angles to inject the drug. So here I want to ask you all the here, what is the angle of intravenous route of administration? Please register the answer in comment box. Next, in question number 30, which injection inject at an angle of 90 degree? Here the same answer, intramuscular. Question number 14, which route followed the bypass metabolism? Means which route cross the chances of or degrade the chances of getting fast pass metabolism? So here the right answer is parenteral route, and as you know, oral route getting the highest fast pass metabolism. Question number 15, dash is based on lock key or key lock mechanism. And here as you know, agonist and both antagonist are both bind to a receptor to produce or to reverse their actions. So here the right answer is option D, both A and B. Inverse agonist, so here the right answer is option D, opposite response. Question number 17, elimination is also known as, what is elimination is otherwise also known as? Here the option C, excretion of the drug. Question number 18, an active drug convert into an active form, and that is known as option number A, prodrug. As you know, some drugs are inactive naturally, and that the drug is getting active after administration or after reaching that drug into our systemic circulations. Question number 20, phase 1 reaction is a, what is phase 1 reaction? Here the answer is option B, non-synthetic reaction. And as you know, phase 1 reaction consists of oxidations, reductions. Question number 21, when lipid soluble drug convert into water soluble drug, then polarity are, here the answer is option A, increase. As you know, more the lipid solubility of water, more the polarity or water soluble also. Next, question number 22, what is the full form of BBB? So here the right answer is option C, blood brain barrier. And one another biological membrane are also present in our body, that is BBB. Please tell me what is the full form of BBB. Next, question number 23, the movement of drug from systemic circulation to intestinal fluid and various other part of the body, and that is known as, here the option B, distribution. As you know, after the absorption of drug, the distribution process is the second process of pharmacokinetic process, and here the drug is reaches to different parts of our body. Next, question number 24, it is the actual amount of drug which reaches into the systemic circulation is known as, here the option C, bioavailability. As you know, bioavailability means what amount of drug that is reaches to systemic circulation to produce the pharmacological effect. Question number 25, blood flow circulation is directly proportional to, here the right answer is absorption. More the absorption of drug, more the blood flow circulations. Next, here one problem is comes. Next, in question 26, the child dose calculated by Young and Dilling's formula is equal to the child dose of, as you know, Young's formula is by age plus 12 into adult dose. And as you know, in this questions, if we put 8 year here, then 8 by 8 plus 12, that is known as 8 by 12. And as you know, Dilling's formula means is by 20, and here is also 8 by 20. So here the right answer is option D, 8 years old. Next, question number 27. Calculate the dose of a child weighing 30 pounds if the adult dose of a drug is 200 mg. So here if we put the Clark formula means weight of the children in pound, divided by 150 into adult dose. So here we put 30 pound into 150 into 200. So here 1 by 5. So here 1 by 5 into 200. So after cross multiplication, 1 by 5 into 200, here the answer is 40 mg. So here the right answer is option C, 40 mg. Next, 28. Calculate the dose for a 6-year-old child if the adult dose is 360 mg. And as you know, if in the question age of the child is mentioned or adult dose is mentioned, then we calculate the children dose according to Young's formula. And as you know, Young's formula is by age plus 12 into adult dose. So here age is 6 and 6 plus 12 into 360. So here 6 by 18 into 360. Next 6 by 18 into 360. So yeah, after cross multiplication or solution or solve, here we got 6 into 20, and here the answer is 120 mg. So here the option A is the right answer. Next, question number 29. Which formula of dose calculation of child is not related with their age? So here Gobin's formula, Bastedo formula, Cowling's formula, these three formula are here the children dose are calculated according to their age, and Young's formula also. So here the right answer is Catchell rule. And Catchell rule, in this Catchell rule, the children dose is calculated according to the surface area of the children. And here the last question of this video, 30. Majority of drug cross biological membrane primarily by, here the right answer is option A, passive transport. And as you know, passive transport is the movement of drug from the higher concentration to the lower concentration, and in the case of active transport, the drug movement from the lower to higher. And in passive transport doesn't require energy to move the molecules, and in active transport energy required to move the molecules. So here in this video we discuss important 30 questions that are arises from the general pharmacology. Have a good day.